In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever felt unsure about managing your products and services within QuickBooks, stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently add and adjust your inventory like a pro. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section, which you can find on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Clicking here will present you with several options, but what you're looking for is the Products and Services tab. This tab is essential for managing anything related to what you buy and sell, serving as the central hub for all your inventory management needs. Once inside the Products and Services view, it's time to add a new inventory item. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu. From here, simply select Inventory. This is your gateway to entering the details of the new product you'd like to track. Let's walk through what details you should enter. It's crucial to input comprehensive information about your product inventory because it ensures accuracy and alleviates potential discrepancies later on. Start with the inventory title, then proceed to fill out additional fields like IE SKU, description, and sales price. Quantity is an equally important field and should reflect your current stock count for that item. Ensuring that all these details are correct will greatly contribute to accurate reporting and forecasting. Once all the information has been carefully entered, proceed by clicking Save and Close. This action will finalize your new inventory entry, making it ready for any future transactions. And just like that, you've added a new inventory item into QuickBooks Online. But what if you need to adjust an existing inventory item, perhaps to reflect a recent stock take? QuickBooks makes this process straightforward. Begin by looking at your inventory list. Next to each item, you'll spot a small caret icon. Clicking on it will reveal an option labeled Adjust Quantity. Select Adjust Quantity to open the inventory adjustment window. This is where you can update the quantity of the product to reflect the accurate count. After you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save to apply and lock in your adjustments. By following these simple steps, you've learned not only how to add new inventory items to QuickBooks Online, but also how to adjust their quantities as needed. Keeping your inventory up to date can make a world of difference in maintaining accuracy and efficiency in your financial records. Thanks for following along, and happy inventory managing.